Hi, my name is Dr. Hadil Saidam. I'm a specialist orthodontist here at 3Dental. What I offer here is basically braces, clear aligners, any interceptive pre-orthodontic treatments such as functional or myofunctional devices, expansion devices, and anything for mandibular advancement. The best age for someone to come see me is between the ages of 7 to 10, just to basically prep for the ortho treatment in the future once they're ready for braces. People generally come see me for the following reasons. That's if they have crooked teeth, if they have gaps, if they have overlapping, if they also have issues with their speech, if they have issues with their breathing. If you feel like you qualify for orthodontic treatment, or if you have any of the previous conditions that I've mentioned, you could always come see me for a free assessment and we could guide you from there. So orthodontic treatment could last something between 8 months up to 2 years. I like to individualize and personalize every treatment plan I do. Every patient is definitely different. It depends really on multiple factors such as the complexity of the case, the cooperation of the patient, as well as the age. At the time of the initial consultation, I'd be able to give you an estimate of how long the treatment is going to be for. I think orthodontics in general restores the functionality, not only the aesthetics, but it comes hand in hand with aesthetics as well. So 2 birds, 1 shot. I like what I do because I know deep down it brings back the smile to their faces, to their lives. So yeah, I like to be a part of that. If you want to book for a consultation with myself, you could always find us on 3dental.ie, or you could ring the clinic straight away and we'll take it from there.